Next thing we're gonna do is the ice and water shield. We're gonna start by laying this sheet on top of the roof. We're gonna line it up to either one of these lines. As long as we get this covered, this ice and water should seal to the roof decking and it should seal to the drip edge. So if water does ice dam or backs up, it's not gonna run into the roof. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line it up with one of these marks here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull a little corner piece away because I don't wanna nail it with the plastic on it because that would be almost impossible to pull off. So I'm gonna hold that there. Pop one nail in it. I'm not gonna go too close to the edge because I still need to put drip edge on. So that'll hold it for now, and we'll go ahead and roll across this whole roof. Just like that. Really watch out for wrinkles. What'll happen is you'll get a wrinkle in this membrane, and then over time, what'll happen is you'll lay shingles over it, and then eventually you'll see that wrinkle through the shingles. And then you'll have to go back and fix it. We definitely want to avoid that. So right now I'm going to keep this lined up with the bottom of the drip edge. You don't have to go all the way to the edge. As long as you get the majority of that drip edge covered, it'll be just fine. So what I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to pull this, get it on out of there. And if it's a really hot day, this thing is gonna stick super fast, so work quickly, get it set. So now I'm gonna take this sheet, I'm gonna pull it low and at a 45, and what that's gonna do, it's gonna keep it from binding up, just like that. And right now, you can see that I do have a couple small wrinkles, and I could just push these small ones right on out. That shouldn't be an issue, but if you do get a wrinkle that's larger than this, what you're gonna wanna do is cut it out and then put another piece of ice and water over top of that. Probably extend it out a foot past that cut. That way we're still covered and they could seal to one another. And finally, since you have that tacked up, come to the bottom. Pull this out low and at a 45, just like that. And what I'm gonna do, depending on the pitch of the roof, determines how many fasteners you're going to need. If it's a 412, 312 roof, you really don't need a whole lot of fasteners. But on this is a true 12-12. We're gonna go ahead and load it up probably every 10 inches. Ice and water does stick, but on a hot day, it can work itself loose and come down the roof. So really steep roofs, extra fasteners, low pitch roofs, not as many.